Hi guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to deactivate your account on Viber. So let's get started. First, we're going to start off by going to our settings. We're going to click this icon here. Next here, we're going to select the first option that we have that says accounts. And now here we're going to select the last option, deactivate account. So we're going to go ahead and tap on that. So in order to deactivate your account, you have to enter your phone number. So for example, you're going to enter it. And then you're going to go ahead and click on deactivate account. So now I didn't enter my phone number. I entered another phone number. But if it's your phone number, you're just going to click on deactivate account. You're going to receive a 6-digit code through your text messages. You're going to enter that and your account will be deactivated. And that's how it's done. Thank you for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye!